So this is the module for Toyota Camry, and we're going to be doing a quick installation. This is what exactly you will be receiving in the box. OBD module. This is another module which controls everything, and this is how it looks. To install this module, of course, you would have to remove that door panel. So once the door panel is removed, these are the steps that you guys need to follow. Okay. First, we're going to remove this plug. Okay. Then you're going to replace it with the aftermarket one. Okay. All right. So it comes with it like this. Connect this. Okay. That's step number one. Okay. Another one is over here. Okay. We're going to remove that. So once you remove it, you're going to replace it with, so it's a Y cable. The harness comes with it, and there you go. All right, 2 more plugs, and then we are pretty much done. Okay, the OBD controller is already installed. So this is how you need to connect the other wires to the Windows controller. Okay, you do this, and the other one goes in here, and that's it. That's how the installation goes on the Toyota Camry 2018 to 2022. This is a SE model, but the XSE should be the same, and LE as well. Last but not least, this wire also goes back in the control panel switch.